Welcome back to German Brew. Today we make Raspberry Mead. For this we use frozen raspberries and some Blossom Honey. The raspberries I already unfreeze. Here is a lot of them. 1 kilo of raspberries. We make one 5-liter fermenter today, and we will use 1 kilo of honey. If you ask what is this, it's date syrup. There was a mess in the cabinet and some I still not see. For this recipe I thought 1 kilo honey is enough. We will see later in the gravity reading if I'm right. I want be around 1.100. Hopefully a little bit higher, but we will see. This raspberries have 1 kilo, have 50 grams of sugar, and we're adding our 1 kilogram, so 830 grams of sugar also. This creamy honey I buy in the grocery. It was cheap, it was on sale. That's why I buy a lot of it, together with some liquid version, not so creamy. You can already see this one is a little bit more liquid than normally creamy honey is. I think they here on the really maximum that's allowed in Germany in the water content. It's 83 grams of sugar inside, so normally it's good. But it's good liquid and smells really good like honey. Okay. Now we need water. I heated this water a little bit. This water is 40 degrees warm. Not hotter for the honey. Maybe it's now also just a little bit colder because I heated it before I start the video, and you know, it's a little bit time, but it's still warm and it's good for losing here the honey. Let's see that we can clean everything. We have more water. More water we will add. Okay. Okay, it's perfectly clean. So, also if you have a honey glass, before you throw it, clean it completely, remove the honey. Why? Because especially when the honey is not from your country, it can have some diseases for the bees, and so that's why always wash your glasses before you throw them. I will add one more half liter to this fermenter, and then now we need to mix. And this you can make a little bit splashing because you want to have oxygen inside. So have a good splash. So the honey is mixed. It looks really good. I didn't know that it can dissolve so fast. The next is the raspberries. 1 kilo raspberry is a lot. That's why I have this one here to put them down. I cleaned it also now with a 1/2 liter water again. And if you ask why I don't use this one and scoop it directly inside, I also can answer it, because normally I use the glass fermenters, bottle fermenters, and not the big mouths. And then in my brain, I need to use a funnel. Of course, here you can make it without funnel. I try to get here a little bit of the liquid. Okay, we already have 2 liters water inside. And now it's time to mix it a little bit. Also, I will add more water later. Okay, the raspberries give it a nice color, and it smells really, really nice, like raspberry and honey. So I will get more water, one more half liter, so we have now 2 liters. Normally 2 liters honey and liquid give me a 1.1 110. So honey with water. So we have now 2 liters. I think we're a little bit higher. So anyway, I will check first before I will add more water, because I don't know how many sugar is in the raspberries and in the honey. It's a little bit tricky now. I need to get liquid without fruit, and that is a trick. So the last one, and I just can say already the color is amazing. Really, really nice color. It's a little bit pinkish, reddish. We will see how much gravity we will have. I think now we over 1.110. The question is, oh no. Okay. Absolutely no. We are under 1.1. That's nothing I expect, because I mean I have 1 kilo honey in it. So also the second check is 1.084. It's way too low for me. I put more honey, I put more liquid. I need more liquid for the volume because I want to have a lot of wine. And I need more honey because my gravity is a lot too low. With 1.082, maybe I get 11%. It's not something I wanted. I wanted 14% in this wine. And that's why more honey. So I will add both together. I have a spoon again. I have honey again. And half liter of water. The water is again warm, so the honey is dissolved good. And because we need a lot of points, we're adding a lot of honey. I also need to weight it, but it's around half glass. So okay, let's see the weight of it. 974. So we have now 474 grams. Let's add the last. Okay, now I have 1.6 kilogram, so half kilogram for the water. That means we also have half kilogram for the honey. Now let's see. Let's put it inside. A lot of liquid. Not so. I wish I have more headspace, but it's okay. Let's mix it. It's now a lot of liquid. And now, like before, let's see for the gravity. I hope now we are over the one, we are almost at the 1.100, maybe a little bit over it. I mean, we're adding now liquids that have 1-to-1 honey water mix. So it's a lot. Good. Let's see. This to the side. This to us. Okay, we have 1.100. Just to prove. That's great. On the second try. That's good. Let's see that we get everything. And now we need to add the yeast. For this mead, I use again the old Polish mead yeast. I already used it the last time. I once also used it in a Viking blood, so I know it gives us also some nice flavors from the fruits. And I know it's fermented good. And in the moment, the weather is not so good. The room is a little bit colder. I know this one don't have problem with it. So again, we're using 1, 2 tablespoons. It's enough. It gives also some nutrients inside. And then we give it a nice swirl here. So, and we are done. Closing the airlock. Here we have the risk that we get a lot of foam. We will see. I will keep an eye on it. And of course, I will give you also a short to keep you updated. And now I see in my analytics that 75% of you that watch my videos don't subscribe. So if you like my videos, subscribe them. I bring every week one video, and if you like them, here are 2 more. And don't forget to give a thumbs up. We'll see you the next time. Bye.